Well, hello, my darlings, and welcome back to another edition of Alex's boho wardrobe. So what we're doing today is I'm just going to show you how I've dressed up a really simple shirt dress, really modern, but we're going to give it that boho chic kind of feel. So first off, obviously, we have to go in with some really beautiful jewellery. So these, I've got these in two colours, a light colour and a dark, but I think they are setting the mood, right? Let's take it back. Let's come back here. Oh, wait, we need to bring in the scarf. Let me grab that. Okay, so zhuzhing this up, giving it that lovely Western boho, modern kind of chic feel. So I've got my hair down today. It really doesn't matter how you do your hair. Have it however you wish. But this is a beautiful, almost deep salmon pink shirt dress. It's as basic as they come. I've had it for forever. And I just wanted to really dress it up and see if we could make it part of this outfit. I can see that the camera just needs to come down very slightly. Let's do that with it. There you go. So, easiest manoeuvre you could possibly think of, obviously. Go in with your cowgirl boots. Like, that is the most straightforward, easy way to give you that lovely sort of Western feel. And what I really like here, we're not going caricature, because these are quite chic with this dress, right? I mean, I don't know what you think, but I think they're really cute. I have had to pin the dress, I always find this, for us girls with larger busts. If we do the buttons up how they're supposed to be done, they end up here choking me. If I leave them undone, they end up too open. So I have got a little safety pin in there. Let me show you the back of the dress so you can just have a little look. Let's get the boots up there. So it's a really straightforward dress. There's not much to this. The only other things I'm going to do is I am going to add a beautiful scarf. Now, how lucky are we that scarves are the accessory of the year? So scarf, scarf, scarf. So straight away, we're going a little bit more interesting. And then I'm going to add this bag today. So this is just my simple brown deep chocolate. I would describe this as deep chocolate bag. And we're going to add that as my going out bag today. And that just gives me those little bit of ruffling there, which allows, has this got any? Yeah, this has got a very small amount of tassels on it, but the tassels just really give it that look, I think. You'll have to let me know in the comments, what do you think? Is this a perfect mid-sized girl, middle-aged outfit, or they can shush, outfit of the day? What do you think? I've also got on, disgusting, they look so ugly, but some cycle shorts underneath. So a little bit of warmth because it is cold here in the UK. And also it just holds everything in nicely. I'll show you a quick clip outside, but pop down in the comments. Is this an easy outfit? Could you put this together? Style girls, I want you following me and I want you trying this out. Tell me, you've got a scarf, you've got some beautiful big earrings. They don't have to be these colourful, but anything that gives you that lovely edge. Honestly, watch how everybody tells you you're so put together. It's a really simple trick. So let me know what you think. I just think this is a really great spring outfit. Moves really beautifully. Have an amazing day, ladies.